Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Emily and Paul. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. I'm very happy today, and also a little sleepy.
Sleepy? Why, Paul?
Because I wake up late. Every day. Bad habit. Very bad habit.
Ah, that's perfect. Because today's topic is all about habits.
Yes, habits. Good habits, bad habits, my many bad habits.
Don't worry, Paul. We all have habits. Some habits help us, some habits don't help us.
Like me and coffee. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the afternoon. Sometimes I drink coffee at night.
That is definitely a habit, and maybe not a good one.
Hey, coffee loves me.
Today's episode is easy, fun, and very useful.
Yes, we use simple sentences, we repeat important words, and mistakes are okay. I make mistakes all the time.
Exactly. Today, you will learn how to talk about your habits in simple English. Daily habits, fun habits, even funny habits.
Like burning water when cooking pasta. True story.
And don't worry, you don't need perfect English. Just relax, listen, and enjoy. So, today's topic is habits. We say it again, habits.
Habits. Things you do every day, or almost every day.
Yes, habits are actions you repeat. You do them again and again.
Like brushing your teeth, or checking your phone.
Talking about habits is very important in English. You can talk about your life, your routine, your personality.
And you can understand other people too. Like, Emily always cooks, and Paul never cooks. Both true.
Hey, you try. That's a good habit, trying.
Thank you, Emily. I feel proud now.
In this episode, you will learn how to talk about daily habits, how to talk about good and bad habits, and how to practice with simple sentences.
Short sentences, easy words, no stress.
Before we start, a quick reminder. If you enjoy learning English in a relaxed, fun way, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And share it with a friend who wants to learn English. Maybe a friend with bad habits, like me.
We make new episodes every week. Easy English, real conversations, step by step.
Only 10 to 15 minutes a day can help a lot. Small steps, big progress.
All right, let's start the main part.
I'm ready. My habits are ready too.
First, let's keep it very simple. A habit is something you do again and again.
Again and again. Every day. Or many days.
For example, I wake up at 7. I drink coffee in the morning.
I check my phone when I wake up. Bad habit. Very bad habit.
That's okay, Paul. We are learning, not judging.
Thank you. I feel safe here.
When we talk about habits, we often use the present simple.
Present simple. Simple present. Very simple English.
Listen to these sentences. I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I work in the morning.
I try. I wake up at 9. Sometimes 10.
That's honest. Honesty is a good habit.
Yes, new good habit unlocked.
Let's practice together. You can repeat after us.
I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee or tea.
Very good. Short sentences are perfect. Now, let's talk about good habits and bad habits.
Good habits make your life better. Bad habits make your life messy.
Examples of good habits. I exercise every day. I read books. I practice English.
I practice English sometimes. Is that okay?
Yes, sometimes is okay. Small steps are okay.
I like that. Small steps. No pressure.
Bad habits can be, I eat too much pizza. I sleep very late.
Hey, pizza is my best friend. But yes, too much pizza.
Balance, Paul. I like pasta, but not every meal.
Emily is a good cook. She cooks every day.
Thank you. Cooking is one of my habits.
I burn water. That's my habit.
That's a special talent. Now, let's add some very useful words. These words help us talk about how often.
How often you do something.
The words are always, usually, sometimes, never.
Always. Usually. Sometimes. Never.
Examples. I always wake up early. I usually drink coffee. I sometimes eat pizza. I never eat breakfast.
Let me try. I always love dogs. My dog Max is the best.
Yes, and I love cats. My cat Bella is very calm.
Max is not calm. Max runs. Max jumps. Max eats my shoes.
That sounds chaotic.
Like me.
Let's practice together. You can choose one word. I drink coffee.
I always drink coffee.
Perfect. Now you at home say your sentence. Sometimes habits are not perfect. That's normal.
Very normal.
You can say, I try to wake up early. I try to exercise.
I like try. No pressure.
Exactly. Try is friendly English.
I try to cook, but cooking says no.
You try, and that's important. Let's do a short role play. Paul, tell me about your daily habits.
Okay. I wake up late. I drink coffee. I work on my computer.
Good. Do you exercise?
Sometimes I walk with Max.
That's great. Walking is exercise.
Max exercises a lot. I just follow him.
Now my turn. I wake up early. I drink tea. I cook at home.
Always organized. Always healthy.
Not always. I sometimes eat chocolate.
Good habit.
Now it's your turn. You can speak out loud or in your head.
No fear. Mistakes are okay.
Answer these questions. What time do you wake up? Do you drink coffee or tea? What is one good habit?
Take your time. English is a journey.
Even 10 minutes a day helps. 10 minutes. 15 minutes.
Fun English. Patient English.
Great job, everyone. Wow, time flies. Let's review what we learned today.
Yes, review time. My favorite time. Because it's easy.
First, we talked about habits. A habit is something you do again and again.
Again and again. Every day. Or many days.
We practiced simple sentences. I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I work in the morning.
Short sentences. Clear sentences.
We also talked about good habits and bad habits.
Good habits help you. Bad habits, maybe eat too much pizza.
Then we learned very useful words. Always. Usually. Sometimes. Never.
Always, usually, sometimes, never. I sometimes remember them.
And we used friendly phrases like, I try to wake up early. I try to practice English.
Try is kind English. No stress.
Now, some simple tips for you. Keep your English simple. Practice every day, even 10 minutes. Don't fear mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning. I make mistakes all the time. And I'm still here.
Exactly. Be patient. Have fun.
English can be fun. Like talking about habits. And dogs. And pizza.
You're doing great. Really. Wow, time really flies. It feels like we just started.
Yes, talking about habits is fun. And also very real.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you feel more confident now.
More confident. Less scared. More English.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. Simple English is great English.
Small steps every day. 10 minutes. 15 minutes.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share the podcast.
And share it with a friend who wants to practice English. Maybe a friend with funny habits.
We love reading your comments. So here's today's comment question. What is one habit you have every day?
You can write a very simple sentence. For example, I drink coffee every morning. Or, I walk my dog.
Perfect. Simple is best.
I'll answer too. I always drink coffee. I try to drink less, but I try.
That's okay, Paul. Trying is a good habit.
Thank you, Teacher Emily.
Thank you, everyone. You're doing amazing.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing. Keep smiling.